Hello Kagulays! Mahilig ba kayo sa Sanggipsal? Tamang-tama dahil meron kaming bagong tuklas dito sa Makati City ang Sanggipal Korean Barbecue. This is your Mommy Rolly at hindi na ako makapaghintay. Tikman ang kanilang mga servings. Pagpasok pa lang sa loob, makikita nyo kaagad na sobrang spacious ng kanilang place. Hindi mausok at hindi crowded. Eto nga, bumungad na sa akin ang menu. Alam nyo ba na from 599 pesos, pwedeng maging 479 yan? Kaya naman keep on watching Kagulays para ma-share ko sa inyo kung paano. And here are your favorite side dishes like matang, lettuce, fish cake, cucumber, japchae, pink radish, marble potatoes, cabbage salad, steamed egg, kimchi, and cheese. Ready na kami to order our meat and napansin namin na charcoal lang gamit nila for grilling, which is sobrang okay for us. So chicken meat selection naman, sobrang na-happy ako dito sa lasa ng chicken dakgalbi. Deliciously spicy talaga siya, as in. For the beef, syempre nandiyan pa rin yung ating favorite na beef bulgogi and enoki beef. With regards with the pork meat naman, panalo sa akin tong Yangmyeom galbi. I can now summarize na mas okay sa akin yung mga marinated meats. Mabilis maubos sa table namin yung lettuce, pero dahil meron silang service button, isang pindot mo lang, nandiyan na sila to refill your needs. Ayan, yung rice naman nila is for request kasi hindi naman lahat gustong mag-rice. Pero katulad ko na rice person, ayan, umorder tayo ng rice syempre. Just a reminder Kagulays that although they have wide selection of drinks, hindi ito kasama sa package, but you can order them naman separately. So ayun na nga Kagulay, ito na nga yung tipid hack na ituturo ko sa inyo. Para makakuha kayo ng discount dito sa Sanggipal Korean Barbecue, may special voucher ang Blue Star Entertainment. Pwede nyong i-avail for only 20 pesos. All you have to do is find their Facebook or TikTok account, tapos i-message nyo sila doon. Tell them that you wanted to avail the discount. And mention my TikTok username, Morena Gabo and Gami. Check my captions or click the link in my bio for more details. See you there, Kagulays!